Reviews of top 5 best outdoor dining chair. List number 1. Metal dining chairs set of 4 indoor-outdoor chairs. Lightweight, comfortable, and the industrial design make this metal chair stand out functionally and visually for the restaurant or home. Make the stackable chairs, adding a sense of authenticity and comfort. Stackable chairs. Restaurant chairs. Metal chair. The chair is protected by high-quality paint, forms a protective film on the surface of the metal chair, which is scratch-resistant and smell-free. Easy to clean and suitable for a wide range of occasions. Stackable chairs. These metal chairs are the perfect addition to virtually any occasion or setting. The industrial modern design is subtle and refined, and the solid steel frame is available in a variety of vintage finishes. You can set up the chairs as dining chairs, quickly and easily remove the backs to create bar stools or stack and store for your next big gathering. Steel braces add extra stability, and plastic caps protect the finish from scratching when stacked, ensuring that these chairs are built to last. Open the package and take out the stackable chair to use it. Enjoy a comfortable sitting experience in just a few minutes. The metal chairs are suitable to decorate your living room, dining room, bar, office, and so on. Metal chairs, stackable chairs, restaurant chairs. List number 2. Flash Furniture 2-pack beige rattan indoor-outdoor stack chair. This stacking chair for indoor or outdoor use stacks up to 23 high for commercial environments, ships fully assembled and ready for use. Complement your terrace and patio with these beautiful rattan chairs to surround a patio table or to seat waiting for guests in the lobby. Versatile inside and outside the restaurant, these lightweight stack chairs are a practical choice for any business. The full back with integrated arms provides comfort to customers. When used indoors, the metal chairs have floor glides to protect your flooring and stack up to 23 high to clean floors and to store. A full rattan back with integrated arms provide comfort in this indoor-outdoor chair. The curved back design perfectly hugs and supports the spine for improved posture and hours of comfort. 2 cross braces located between the front and back legs help to provide extra stability. The non-marring floor glides on the legs protect your floors from scuffs and scrapes by sliding smoothly when you move them. Get cozy around the fireplace in the winter months and place it near your pool when it's nice outside. The all-weather frame is designed for use throughout the year. For longevity, care should be taken to protect from long periods of wet weather. Pair these metal dining chairs with a glass or metal patio table to complete your outdoor dining setting. List number 3. Furmax Indoor-Outdoor Use Stackable Classic Trattoria Chic Dining Bistro Cafe Side Metal Chairs. This metal dining chair is set with modern industrial design, perfectly suited for your kitchen, dining room, cafe, bistro, and so on. Designed with ergonomic backrest, providing more comfort when you enjoy your mealtime. Using the latest formaldehyde-free environmental protection coating and double electrostatic spraying technology, make the surface water-resistant, rust-resistant, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. No afraid of outdoor harsh environment. This metal dining chair is made with high-density steel, and the bottom of the chair is supported by a cross-steel frame, which makes it more stable and durable. The latest electrostatic spraying technology processing with smooth surface, eco-paint material without HCHO. Each foot has a non-slip rubber pad that keeps it from slipping and protects your floor. This metal dining chair is lightweight and stackable, easy to store, and saving more space for your room. Each chair only needs 4 screws to set, only a few minutes to assemble. List number 4. Relax outside for hours on this nostalgically inspired Griffin metal outdoor furniture. Kick back while you reminisce in this sturdy steel chair, designed to withstand the hottest of summer days and other harsh conditions. The chair's non-toxic powder-coated finish is available in various colors to complement your outdoor accessories. Griffin offers Levessiet's conversation sets and dining sets that sport a vintage-inspired cantilevered design. The seashell-shaped chairs are made of sturdy steel and have a soothing spring and bob. Rest easy while you reminisce. Make a nostalgic choice for your outdoor furniture with this line of retro metal furnishings. With bright colors and vintage lines, everyone will be drawn to the fun vibe exuded by these stylish pieces. These collections are sure to be a conversation starter. They aren't all for show though. Every metal piece is constructed of strong steel and softly finished with a weather-resistant powder coating. Dine or unwind. The choice is yours. List number 5. Vingly Patio Folding Web Lawn Chair Set. The compact folding design is convenient for storage and transportation. The weight of the chair is 9 pounds, making it easy to carry and move. This chair is built with durable and breathable web. The camp chair is comfortable enough to use in every season. The updated higher backrest gives you more support when you lean back. Heavy-duty metal pipes add strength and durability to the patio chair set. Anti-slip pads are used to protect the floor and prevent slips on the poolside. The portable beach chair set is ideal for any family activities, such as beach trips, camping, or picnic. You can enjoy a pleasant outdoor time with your families.